Hello everyone. Another journal to share. This one is called Bird Lover, and it measures, I'll check my notes. Excuse me. The cover is 4.5 inches wide. It's 8.25 high, 1.25 inch spine. The main digital is Spring Woodland Journal Kit by Ephemera Vintage Garden, but I also have some items from Tailor Made Journals from Vintage by Me. There are 4 signatures for a total of 144 pages. And I think that's it, the notes. So here's the front, the spine, and the back. This is a lovely kit. Excuse me. So there's some fussy cutting, vintage ledger paper, a little bit of collage. In her digital kit, EVG, she has definitions of a bird. I think there's 4 more, and I dug up a vintage dictionary that I have, and I've included them in my my initial pages for my signatures. So here we go. There's also, the images are beautiful, the colors. I've included, of course, another variety of different paper. Here's an envelope, and inside there's a journaling card. It's printed, yeah, it's cardstock, yeah. This white paper, it's called, I'm trying to find the name, I keep forgetting. You can't see the dots. It's those dotted, oh, fuck, bullet journals. It's made from a bullet journal with all the little dots, but you can hardly see them in this one. And this opens up just a little bit. Woodland, that's another dictionary definition. Here I have a journal card, another image here. I think this one is from Tailor Made Journal. Here is the names and arrangement of the main feather groups of a bird. There's a tag, card. Here I have some labels that can be used throughout the journal. One says spring, one says bloom, that came with the kit. Beautiful peonies. Oh, there's a definition of tree. Here is a pocket, some a bird fussy cut. Cute little image. This came with the journaling kit. That's a tag that I made. Another fussy cut image, bird I should say, with the definition nest. And that's some of that vintage looking tape. Another envelope here with a journaling card. Lots of eggs. Some, there we go. Not pretty with the eggs. This one. a lot of florals, but also a lot of birds and bird eggs. Nice combination because I love both botanical and birds. My favorite journals to make. Oh, that cutie. Yeah. This, here we go, the third signature. This one has a definition tree. Envelope with, there is a card in there, if I can get to it. There we go. And a journaling card. Yep, there was a lot of journaling cards with the Spring Woodland Journal Kit from Ephemera's Vintage Garden. I like when there's a lot of items to work with. Isn't that pretty? Another little pocket with a fussy cut. Here we go. Beautiful, beautiful cards. It's a cut off. I like to make some little journaling sticks because I keep all my bits. Oh, look at this owl. Isn't he adorable? He's camouflage with the tree in the back. So pretty. In here it says the definition, the woodland. Okay, another envelope with a journaling card. I think I'm going to take my punch and cut out the little half circle here to make this easy to get out. And here we go. It's so pretty. Look at these cuties. And it's slippery. Another drawing card. A couple of cut-offs here. Gotta made some little cards. Oh, and this little journaling paper. It's cute. And the back of the last signature. Here, the card. And I seem to have a little vintage envelope with some extra journaling paper. There we go. So here's another journal, and I have a few more videos to make that will be coming up. And there's the back. There we go. That's the Bird Lover Journal. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.